With all the crypto craze, you may be wondering, should you invest in crypto directly or should you invest into crypto trust? And if you've been wanting to get started investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you find the whole process kind of intimidating, then you may want to consider investing through crypto trust. And essentially, cryptocurrency trusts are a convenient way to add crypto to your portfolio since it lets you invest in crypto without having to buy it directly. So you can get started in crypto with less hassle and without requiring opening up a separate crypto wallet. Now, two of the more well-known and established cryptocurrency trusts on the market are the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC, and the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, or ETHE. And the interesting thing about these two trusts is that they both track their respective cryptocurrencies. So for example, shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, well, they track the Bitcoin market price, and shares of the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, you guessed it, they track the Ethereum market price. Now in this video, we're going to be breaking down the pros and cons of investing in crypto directly versus investing in crypto trust. And if you're worried about getting started investing in crypto trust, I'll also be showing you how you can easily start investing in these crypto trusts on the Wealthfront investing app. Now, if after the video you'd like to learn more about Wealthfront's other investment features, I'll be sure to link down my full Wealthfront review down below in the video description. And of course, if you want to jump ahead or jump back to any part of today's video, I'll also be sure to include timestamps below as well. Now, if you've ever felt intimidated by buying cryptocurrencies directly, then a cryptocurrency trust like the ones we mentioned can be another option to consider. And yes, while it is true you can just as easily invest in fractional shares of Bitcoin or Ethereum directly, many new investors have told me that they kind of feel intimidated initially by the whole startup process of creating a crypto wallet, managing your private keys, things like that. So if you're looking to simplify things when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, or you simply want to consolidate your investments into a single account, then crypto trusts like GBTC or ETHE might be worth considering. And while some more experienced investors may prefer to directly invest in crypto themselves, the availability of these crypto trusts really can make investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum a lot more accessible for many more investors just the same. Now, one of the easiest ways to get started investing in these two crypto trusts is on the Wealthfront investment app, like I mentioned before. One of the neat things with Wealthfront is they really are one of the first robo-advisors that offers investors a way to get exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum as part of an overall diversified portfolio, which also offers built-in automatic rebalancing. And recently, they've even just added hundreds of new investment options for investors to choose from, and these fund options include things like clean energy investments, socially responsible investments. They also have healthcare investments, innovation and technology, cannabis, and even cryptocurrency, which of course we are talking about in today's video. So essentially, Wealthfront lets you add exposure to crypto in your portfolio through the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, which of course are the two ones I mentioned before. So next, guys, I want to talk about the pros and cons of investing in crypto directly versus investing in cryptocurrency trusts such as these. Now, as I mentioned earlier, guys, many people have told me that when they first get interested in investing in cryptocurrency, it can be a little bit intimidating. I mean, you have to get started by opening up a crypto wallet, you have to manage something called your private keys, and you may even want to consider investing in a hardware crypto wallet like the Trezor to manage your cryptocurrency offline. These are all necessary and important things if you're investing in crypto directly. On the other hand, if investing in crypto trusts can be a more convenient alternative, which will still give your portfolio exposure to the growing crypto market, then crypto trust might be a better option for you. Because with crypto trusts, you don't have to worry about creating a separate crypto wallet, you don't have to worry about managing your private keys, and you don't even have to worry about setting up a hardware wallet like this. Now, while investing in trusts and ETFs can be a great way to add exposure to various asset classes to your portfolio, there are definitely some things to keep in mind. And one thing you need to know about ETFs and trusts is that they often do have fees associated with them. And this is called an ETF's expense ratio. Now, typically ETF fees are very low and affordable for S&P 500 funds, total market funds, as well as other large index funds. So for example, one of the most well-known ETFs is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund, or VOO. And this ETF only has an expense ratio of 0.03%. However, guys, in the case of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, the fees are quite higher. Now, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has an expense ratio of 2%, and the Grayscale Ethereum Trust has an expense ratio of 2.5%. For some investors, the added convenience of a trust or ETF is worth the higher fees. For others, it is not. But these fees are something to be aware of. So if deciding between investing in crypto directly or investing through crypto trust, you have to ask yourself, do I want more control over my crypto, or do I want more convenience? If you want more control, then you may prefer investing in crypto directly. On the other hand, if you want more ease and convenience, you may prefer investing in crypto trusts. Another question is, are you willing to create a crypto wallet, manage your own private keys, and set up a hardware wallet like the Trezor? If so, then you might be a good candidate for investing in crypto directly. But if those things all sound intimidating to you, but yet you still want some exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum in your portfolio, then investing through crypto trusts like GBTC and ETHE, though they might be a better choice for you. Now, if you do want to invest in crypto trusts, it's a pretty seamless process to add them to your Wealthfront portfolio right from the app. And one of the unique advantages of Wealthfront is that they offer the ability to gain exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum while also helping you maintain a diversified portfolio. And because they are a robo-advisor at their core, the Wealthfront app offers automatic rebalancing as well to your entire portfolio, including your crypto trusts. So this really does help ensure that your Wealthfront portfolio is always staying true to your desired asset allocations. Speaking of asset allocation, when you choose to add crypto trusts to your Wealthfront investments, you can make a combined allocation of up to 10% of your total portfolio. Because since Wealthfront is a fiduciary, they do need to act in your best interest at all times. And because the cryptocurrency markets can be riskier and more volatile than other investment options, they do limit your allocation of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and the Grayscale Ethereum Trust in order to help minimize risk of your overall investments. So let's now take a second, guys, to hop into the product demo that Wealthfront provided me to show you guys how easy it is to add exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum as part of your overall diversified portfolio. So what you first want to do, guys, in the Wealthfront app is you're going to want to go over to where it says your individual investment account, or whichever investment account you want to invest in cryptocurrency. You're going to click on that. So in this example, guys, we are going to click on the individual investment account here. You're then going to scroll down to where it says Edit Portfolio. So you can do this with any Wealthfront investment account. Once you're in there and Edit Portfolio, you can see this is where you can adjust the allocations of your portfolio. So if you want to add some cryptocurrency to your portfolio, it's this easy. Simply click on Add Investment right here. Once you click on Add Investment, guys, you then want to scroll down to the asset class you want to invest in, the fund you're looking to add. So in our case, we're looking to add cryptocurrency. We'd click here where it says cryptocurrency. Once we're in there, you can choose, like I said, the Grayscale Ethereum Trust or the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Let's say I want to add some Bitcoin to my portfolio. All right, just click on Bitcoin then right here. Simply click on Add to Portfolio and click on Continue. Now, as you'll notice, once you open up this, it has now added Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to my Wealthfront portfolio. Of course, you will have to adjust the allocations now that you've added a new investment. So since your investments cannot exceed 100% in your portfolio, I'd have to adjust another investment fund. So let's say I want to lower some of this fund right here, the Vanguard Developed Markets ETF. So I would simply scroll here and lower this right here down to, let's just say I want to lower this to 20%. I could raise this to a max of 10%. Right there. Okay, so now my portfolio is now at 100% and I've added 10% Bitcoin cryptocurrency. I would simply click on Continue right here, and then it'll ask you, do you want to update your portfolio? They'll rebalance your portfolio over time, and you simply click on Update right there, guys. And now, just like that, my portfolio on Wealthfront now reflects the added cryptocurrency holdings. So it's going to update there. I now have 10% of my investment account on Wealthfront invested in cryptocurrency, specifically in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So it's that convenient. So when it comes down to it, guys, the Wealthfront investment app really makes it easy for anyone to invest in crypto without having to worry about the added steps of buying it directly. But at the end of the day, whether you choose to invest in crypto directly or through crypto trusts like the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust or the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, it's nice to know that we as everyday investors have options, and it's from these options and choices that we can choose the one that best suits our needs. Now, if you would like to try out Wealthfront's automated investment portfolios and start adding some Bitcoin and Ethereum to your own investments, my friends over at Wealthfront have been generous enough to offer viewers of the everyday investing community a special promotion where you can get your first $5,000 managed completely for free on the platform. So you can claim this sign-up bonus down below this video through my special partnership link if you're looking to get started on Wealthfront. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my other Wealthfront investing and tutorial videos right here. And if you want to see how Wealthfront compares to other robo-advisors today, be sure to check out some of my other robo-advisor reviews right here. For more investing app reviews, tutorials, and comparisons, definitely be sure to check out some of the other videos on the channel, and I look forward to seeing you there.